Welcome! Today we're diving into the world of caulking with the WELLUCK Clear Silicone Caulk. So why is it essential? This caulk is not just any adhesive, it's 100% waterproof and weatherproof, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor environments. When you invest in WELLUCK, you're ensuring protection against stains, corrosion, and damage for up to a remarkable 15 years. What's more, applying it is simple with the anti-clog nozzle and eco-friendly design, safe for your family and pets. WELLUCK cures fast in just 30 minutes and can handle extreme temperature fluctuations like a champ. Especially in changing weather, it won't shrink or crack, making it perfect for your home repairs. Users are loving it. Their positive reviews highlight the durability and ease of use, making it an instant favorite. If you're impressed and ready to elevate your ceiling solutions, click the link in the description to get your own WELLUCK Clear Silicone Caulk. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content and give this video a thumbs up.